Hi, this is Arif Billah. Hope are you well. Today I am going to show you HostGator overview. At first you have to log in. After purchase a package, you will get a interface like this. This is the home section, and if I go to the hosting option, you will get your hosting package information in details. Uh, yeah, we see there are a website, and here is the server information. I can go cpanel, file manager, and cpanel email. Here is the disk uses, file counts, and the hosting information. Okay, and then if I go to the website section, most of the time you need to visit this section because your websites, all the website listing here, and you can manage the websites from here. So you see currently I have installed WordPress, and if I click on the edit side, this website, it will automatically redirect to this WordPress admin dashboard. And here is the settings of the basic website. And if you want to install WordPress website, you can easily install WordPress website on HostGator. Just click on the add site, and here you will get two options: install WordPress, transfer an existing WordPress. We made easy for you. Okay, then other empty environment. So if you want to host any other CMS or any other website based on the raw PSP or HTML CSS, you should continue this section. Okay, so I am just try to install a WordPress. If I click on the continue, and here you have to write a website name, uh, like uh, my shop. So you can just enter your shop title and then continue, and here uh, you enter your domain name. So if you don't have any domain name, you can just a temporary domain. Okay, if you domain name like this, you can use this. Okay, so I just wanna show you, so that's why I use temporary domain. And then if I click on the continue, okay, an error occur while creating a new site. Please try again. If this issue persists, please contact support. Okay, okay, this issue occurs because recently I try a try to install another WordPress website. So that's why it's actually giving me errors. So but you will not get error. Okay, I just show you the procedure. Okay, now I just need to share you how to manage. So you see it's already installing. So I already told you earlier I am tried. So right now I see it's installing. Okay, it's taking few minutes time. And how you can manage after install this WordPress. So let's wait few minutes to install, then I will show you how to manage this. Okay, I see the temporary WordPress website already installed. Let's see. If I click on the edit side, you see this. Okay, so right now I installed the WordPress, so that's why it's not working, but after a few minutes it will work. Let's see settings. Yeah, you will also get a WordPress admin button here. If I click here, let's see it works or not. After a few minutes it will work. I think now it will work. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, no problem, but it will work. So here are a few information, and if I see SSL is secure, if not, then you can install SSL using manage option. So I will not showing you details about the all the things, but I will give you a overview, which actually I think I think it's enough for you, and this is very easy. If you actually trying to explore, then you can do it easily, but you just need to know about the overview. Okay, and if, as you see, I am using a temporary domain, but if you want to try a main domain, then you have to set up this DNS records. So where you actually put this DNS records. So if you have domain under the HostGator, you have to go the domain. You see here only one domain, and you have to go the name server option. If you have the domain another platform, you have to go this platform and you have to find the name server. You see currently I am using Cloudflare, here the name server. So if I click on the change, and here I can part the name server, but I just show you, I'm not trying to change because this is already using. Okay, again go back to the website, and the settings. Okay, I shared you about SSL information and set up the DNS, and you can go to the phpMyAdmin and file manager. To access the database, you have to go phpMyAdmin. Let's see. Yeah, it's doesn't work, but it will work after few minutes or few hours. Okay, same way, if we want to change the PHP version, you can change the PHP version from here. The security here also repeated the SSL and other things again. You see SSL status is secure, IP blocker, hotlink protection, and backup. And here you will get the backup feature. Okay, and plugins. You already installed few plugins, right? So there is no plugin right now. It's not showing because of it's getting few errors, but when you install theme and plugins, you will get all the plugin and theme list here. Also the WordPress user list and domain. So I am using a temporary domain. If I want to convert this temporary domain to main domain, then I can add the domain here. Okay, I can add the domain here and continue, and then a main domain will be replaced here. Let's see the advanced settings. SSH key. If you want to access terminal, then you can enable this, and you can set redirect issue. Same way you can manage the file manager. phpMyAdmin again, database same, this is same. Okay, and settings. Okay, so here you will get a hosting plan. Data center is Mumbai, and automatic update settings. You see WordPress core plugins themes automatically update, but it's not good for old website, because when plugin and themes are updating, the website can be broken. And delete the site permanently and remove the WordPress entirely. Okay, so I want to remove the WordPress. Delete the site permanently, delete your website, stop using WordPress with this website. Okay, I want to delete the site. No, okay, I want to remove entirely.